I want someday to be able to love with the same intensity and unselfishness that parents love their children with. I just want to grow old with a man who takes care of me, and I want to eventually have kids and want them to be good children to me. Just want to be treated nice and have respect. The worst mistake of a woman is to go to the kitchen, because then she never gets out of there. I admire Madonna because she always did whatever she felt like doing. She went through some controversial periods when people rejected her, but she kept on reinventing herself. I admire a person who, for the love of art, is able to take off their clothes in front of a camera. But I'm not capable, I'm too cowardly for that. I love reading about history. Sometimes, I feel I was born in the wrong era. There was more creativity in the air when people were still discovering new worlds. I thank God that I'm a product of my parents, that they infected me with their intelligence and energy for life, with their thirst for knowledge and their love. I'm grateful that I know where I come from. It's incredibly liberating to spend an hour talking to someone and not caring about what you sound like. It's about understanding myself. Sometimes I'll speak to my therapist for an hour a day. It's become part of my routine. We have to promote human solidarity, avoid indifference, and play a part with society in the solution of the problem of violence. It's not easy to work with me, I recognize that. It's not easy if those people aren't as perfectionistic as I am. Fame isolates people from reality. That happens to many artists, and I don't want it to happen to me. People think I like to expose my body. But I don't. It's just because the dance moves require it. There is no other investment that has the kind of social multiplier effect that early education has. It is an incredible thing to nurture and watch grow and spread. You want to be skinny and have a good body? You have to work out every day and say no to certain foods. The music teacher thought I sang like a goat. It was kind of devastating. A few months after that, I participated in a music contest and won. I took my little trophy to school and rubbed it in his nose. I said to him, "What do you say now?" Breastfeeding has been one of the best experiences of my life. I love it. I can't stop. I think I'm going to breastfeed him until he goes to college. I'm hooked. Writing songs has a therapeutic effect, and it either kills off love or wins the heart of the lover. In 2006 I was asked to sing at the World Cup in Germany, and in 2010 I was fortunate enough to be asked again. There's no better makeup than self-confidence. Walking gets too boring when you learn how to fly. In this life, to earn your place you have to fight for it.